Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to verify yourself on PayPal. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official PayPal website right here, paypal.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. So what we can do first is going to log in. So you want to log into your account that you want to verify. In the upper right corner is going to be the login button. If you do not already have an account, what you can do is just go and create a new one, click to sign up for an account. And once you log in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here. So this is your main page where you can take a look at all the info in your PayPal account, such as your PayPal balance. We have a recent activity right here. We can send money, request money, and so on. And now we can get started. So once you are set up, guys, there is going to be an option to verify your email immediately. Once you set up your account, there is going to be an option right here that says in the main page that you need to confirm your email and so on so that your account can be verified. Once you have done that, your account is going to be verified, but you'll need to verify your card as well. So let's say that you want to add a credit card or a debit card to PayPal that you want to use with PayPal. It's going to ask you to verify the card first. And how is it going to do that? Well guys, to verify your card, it's going to take a charge off of your card. Once you connect your card info and put it all in by adding a card from this menu right here, it's going to tell you that it's going to take a charge of about €1 from your card just to test it out that it works. And if it is working guys and it can take that charge from it, it's going to verify your card and then send you the money back. And basically that's it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.